Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can maximize performance and speed on your Windows 10 device. We're going to do a couple steps and this will give and ensure you the maximum FPS during gaming. To begin, we're going to open up the Windows task, the Windows, whatever you want to call it, go to settings. From here, the first thing we're going to be doing is going to system, and we are going to be going to focus and assist. Make sure this is off. Then we're going to go to power and sleep and make sure all of these are on never. From here, the same spot to the right, we're going to press on additional power settings. And as you can see right here, it's going to open up the power settings. Now, you want to press on show additional plans. And for me, I have ultimate performance and quick CPU scheme. But for you guys, there should be an option called high performance. You simply want to enable that. For ultimate performance, I will be providing another video later on, but just press on that and you will get higher performance. From there, we're going to go back to home. We're going to go to gaming. Xbox game bar, you want to turn this off and make sure this is unchecked. Then we're going to go to game mode and make sure game mode is turned on. From here, I'm going to go to Xbox networking and make sure none of this is set up. Now we're going to go to home and we're going to close out of settings. Now we're going to do show animation in Windows. And we're going to do additional display settings. Wait, sorry, wrong one, excuse me. Alright, sorry, so I'm back. You want to go to home, you want to press on apps. Then we want to make sure that on default apps, not default apps, on startup, you want to make sure that all of these are off. Maybe you can keep one on if you really need it, but if you don't keep anything on. Then we're going to press on start. We're going to write background apps, and right here, open it up. And you want to just toggle this off. This will increase performance by so much. And that's really it. Alongside that, you won't need much more to increase your performance. One more tip I will give you is to go down here and exit any application you don't need. So there you have it. That is how you improve performance on Windows. If you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.